Salesforce has officially assigned a code to the Certified Heroku Architect exam. It's Plat-Arch-206. In this video, powered by Certs Hero, we'll walk you through the latest exam updates, the delivery process, the key exam facts, and the domain breakdown you need to master. Quick update. You'll register and schedule this exam via Web Assessor, with both online proctored and testing center options available. Here are the key facts. 60 multiple choice, multiple select questions, 120 minutes to complete, passing score is 72%, exam fee is $400, and retake fee is $200. Plan your preparation around these domains: Heroku Platform, 27%, Data, Scaling, and Performance, 28%, Security, 15%, Heroku Enterprise, 18%, Architect Applications, 12%. And now in this video, we'll go through 10 practice questions together with correct answers and explanations.
Let's start with question 1. Universal Containers is opening offices in Japan and Germany, and executives are concerned about latency. Which Heroku Enterprise feature should an architect recommend? A. Create Salesforce orgs in each region and use Heroku Connect to link them. B. Deploy instances of their applications into private spaces in Tokyo and Frankfurt. C. Deploy a globally distributed CDN in front of the application. Correct answer is B. Deploy instances of their applications into private spaces in Tokyo and Frankfurt. Here's why. Private spaces support regional isolation and low-latency networking. Deploying in Tokyo and Frankfurt places compute close to users. Now, question 2. An app has two web dynos, Dyno A and Dyno B. The app receives a request routed to Dyno A. A second request is sent from the same client. Which dyno receives it? A. The request is routed to Dyno A if it has finished handling the first request. B. The request is routed randomly to Dyno A or Dyno B. C. The request is definitely routed to Dyno A. Correct answer is B. The request is routed randomly to Dyno A or Dyno B. Here's why. Heroku's router load balances requests across web dynos. It doesn't maintain client affinity. Moving on to question 3. What does a follower of a Heroku Postgres leader database provide? A. A static snapshot of the leader. B. An in-memory snapshot of the leader. C. A read-only replica of the leader. Correct answer is C. A read-only replica of the leader. Here's why. Followers replicate asynchronously from the leader and serve read-only traffic to scale queries. Here comes question 4. A Heroku app uses Heroku Connect. Several mapped Salesforce fields were removed, and the team will reload the mapping. What happens on reload? A. Mapped tables continue to store data and sync restarts normally. B. Mapped tables are truncated, data in removed fields is lost, and sync pauses until manually restarted. C. Mapped tables continue to store data, but sync pauses until manually restarted. Correct answer is A. Mapped tables continue to store previously synchronized data and sync restarts normally. Here's why. Reloading a mapping repopulates and resumes sync. Removing Salesforce fields doesn't drop existing table data. Next up, question 5. Universal Containers uses Heroku Connect to sync with Heroku Postgres. Periodically, they write a very large set of changes that must be fully replicated. Which two actions should an architect propose? A. Make the changes directly in Postgres and use external objects to expose to Salesforce. B. Use Data Loader to write changes to Salesforce, let Heroku Connect sync to Postgres. C. Make the changes directly in Postgres and let Heroku Connect use the bulk API to sync to Salesforce. Correct answer is A and C. For large changes, writing in Postgres and leveraging Connect, either via external objects or the bulk API, is efficient and scalable. Let's check out question 6. Users must access trusted Heroku apps only from the office, and VPN is not allowed. Apps run in a private space. Which two features enable on-premise users to gain access? A. Stable outbound IP addresses. B. VPC peering. C. Trusted IP ranges. Correct answer is A and C, stable outbound IPs and trusted IP ranges. Here's why. Trusted IP ranges restrict inbound access to defined corporate exit points, while stable outbound IPs allow consistent whitelisting and control for enterprise networks. Finally, question 7. A RESTful API is A. A web-based service that provides standard ways for clients to make requests and receive responses. B. How the web displays data in a hierarchical format readable by both people and machines. C. An actually pretty informative meditation session. Correct answer is A web-based service that provides standard ways for clients to make requests and receive responses. Here's why. REST defines architectural constraints like statelessness, a uniform interface, and client-server communication, enabling standardized HTTP request and response interactions.
Thanks for watching. Ready to pass Plat-Arch-206? Get domain-mapped practice questions with explanations, available now on Certs Hero. The link is in the description.